Gonna take him to the hamper? Okay, let's go. Let's go. We'll come back and put our pajamas on. Whoa. Put the clothes away. Put them in your hamper. Go ahead. Where did they go? Put them away. Put them in the dirty clothes. Good job. Good job. Nice work. Bravo. Bravo. Let's go put our pajamas on. Okay, bye-bye.